Your current laptop might be crippling your creativity. Pause. These 5 laptops, especially our number 3 beast, can edit 8K video in Premiere Pro faster than a $5,000 MacBook Pro. Whoosh SFX, but before we reveal the ultimate creative weapon, smash that like button, subscribe, and hit the bell, because your editing workflow will never be the same. All purchase links below. Let's unlock your potential. Number 1. Acer PH315-52-710B. If you are looking for the best laptop for Adobe Creative Suite, look no further than the Acer PH315-52-710B. It has all of the features that will make your life much easier than if you were to use a normal laptop. The laptop is powered by an extremely powerful Intel Core i7-9750H processor, and it also has the additional features that you will need to create high-quality videos and graphics for your videos, as well as high-quality photos. The Acer PH315-52-710B also has a built-in speaker port that will allow you to listen to your favorite music or hear your favorite song as you work. Number 2. Apple MacBook Pro 13-inch. If you are in the market for a powerful laptop with all the bells and whistles that can take the ordinary work experience to the next level, then the Apple MacBook Pro with an Apple M1 chip will give you everything that you are looking for. It is also ideal for those looking for a small laptop to work with, as it offers a 13-inch. These laptops generally perform very well and run on the same level as desktop computers. They also have a stylish design and a comfortable keyboard. Number 3. Asus ROG Strix G15. With a powerful desktop processor, 16 GB of RAM and a graphics card that can run multiple programs simultaneously, the best laptop for your needs is the Asus ROG Strix G15. You can find many laptops that offer high specifications at a premium price, but this model has some real quality at a price people can afford. It offers great performance for a laptop in its price range, and comes with everything you could possibly want in one convenient package. Number 4. Microsoft Surface Book 3. The Microsoft Surface Book 3 is an amazing device that combines the functionality of a laptop with the versatility of a tablet. In terms of performance, the Microsoft Surface Books offers consumers everything that they could possibly want from a laptop. This device runs Windows 10 Home and has an attractive design that makes it easy to use with an elegant touch screen. One of the best attributes of the Microsoft Surface Book 3 is its high-quality stylus. It offers users hundreds of applications that can be used with a stylus, making it a must-have if you want to make quick work of completing tasks on the go. Number 5. Razer Blade 15 Base. The Razer Blade 15 is one of the most popular machines within the Creative Suite and has an overall excellent performance. The Blade 15 offers a full range of features and a wide range of functionality. One of the biggest advantages is the 4K OLED display, which provides a wide range of colors and offers excellent quality. In terms of the battery life, it offers a decent amount of time between charges. And also has a very compact size, which is convenient when you are traveling. So, which creative powerhouse are you choosing? Comment right now. I respond to every single one. Pause. If this saved you hours of rendering time, hit like, share with a fellow creator, and subscribe for more game-changing tech reveals. All laptops are linked below, and trust me, next week's video will make your jaw drop. See you then.